YouTube, what's happening? What it is, what it do, man? It's your boy B Mitch. Back, man. Oh my God. I'm feeling the wrath of yesterday, boy. No more Casamigos for your boy. But nonetheless, man, your boy is at a brand new store that I have never checked out. Brought y'all to the channel, which is called LVRG. So we about to go inside and see if they got a shoe that I seen they had on their IG. If so, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that today and show y'all what the store look like as well. All right, so this is my first time in here, but they got clothing. They got a couple of Jordans. Let me show y'all what they got on their wall though. So they got the penny twos. That's a dope. Okay, all right, I'll be right up there. They also got the denim, the dusty denim, Air Max 1. They got this color of the penny too as well. I think this is the other social status pair. Got a little medallion on there, guys. And they got the women's Air Max 1. I really like these. I think this color was dope. I kind of slept on it, but I may come back and try to grab that one as well. And my favorites, how could I not get these guys? I didn't caught these this time though around, man, but the silver bullets is dope as well. They got the two lows. What's that crazy? Not bad, translucent outsole. That is an 8. They got the creps as well, which I thought, in my opinion. So this store actually pretty nice. Never seen them in person. The penny. So yeah, get a little good check from your boy. Oh, and they got these. How y'all felt about these? Because they wasn't really my cup of tea with that big Chanel patch, but another Nike junk as well. But yeah, brown joints, which aren't bad in my opinion. But yeah, just want to show y'all what this spot had. This is my first time out here, so just want to show y'all what they had. And then they got some fitness as well. But it's still kind of dope, man. I was in that Atlanta one is hard. That Houston one, if you got the Travis Scott's, that one's dope as well. I'm at Falcons. But yeah, just want to show y'all what they had in stock, but pretty dope. Man, but y'all look at these. These kind of like velvet. These are pretty dope, in my opinion. So this is their women's section as well. I just wanted to show y'all what they had in women. They do got those. I actually like these. These probably the best two lows that I've seen from last year. So, Candle women's, Freezing women, these denim, Dunk Highs, I guess as well. But then they got these. Just want to show y'all what they had though. But this store pretty dope though. I like this store. All right, y'all. So I did get the shoes. I'll show y'all them. The store is pretty dope, man. It's something. Oh, my bag done broke on me. But the store is pretty dope. I like the vibe, man. It was cool. They ain't really bother me. They let me film. I'm probably gonna hit H&M real quick and see what they got. But nonetheless, man. And then 12 pull up next to me like I'm fucking robbing the store or something. I enjoyed myself. Show y'all these shoes real quick. So I don't have a mount, so I'll have to do this a little ghetto fabulous. But DJ Khaled box, fresh about the business. We the best things. Your Sherski. Yeah, clean, man. first initial thoughts, this is the colorway I wanted. Out of all the colorways, this is the colorway I wanted personally. I see what people talking about with the tongue. It's not as fat. It still has that 3M tongue. I love that quilted inside from the A Mama Yeah 4s to the handcraft Jordan 1s. Yeah, so another dope feature to these things. But man, what y'all think, man? My fault, man. I'm fatigued, everything, but what's y'all thoughts? Y'all like these? Y'all rocking with these? I don't know if the camera's really picking it up. Yeah. I'm trying to get y'all a good look at them. So, clean. We the best on one side. You got that Nike Air on that back end of the other one. In that yellowish colorway. But pretty dope in my opinion. I rock with these. This the best one out the pack to me, if you ask me. This the best one out the pack. But nonetheless, man, just want to give y'all a quick review on these guys. Get y'all thoughts and opinions on them. In my opinion, they dope. I'm glad I got them. But leave your thoughts, comment, drop your opinions below. I will definitely give y'all an in-depth on-feet review, everything. I didn't even show y'all what I had on today. All right, so YouTube, man. Yes, sir. Your boy has to go to H&M, which is my favorite store. For y'all that don't know, also this hoodie actually from H&M. What I had on today, gray brown Nike sweats. I got my winterized 3s on as well. It's just a brown beanie. But yeah, man. If y'all don't know, that's like one of my favorite stores to go to. So I ain't never been out here to this Snellville one, so I'm gonna go inside and see if I can find anything for myself. I need some, I need these seal sweats to go with this top. Probably some chinos as well. And just to have something for like when I go out, you know what I mean? But nonetheless, man, I'm gonna see what they got in here. And if I caught something, I'll show y'all. You feel? Had to make one more stop. Yes, sir. Planet Smoothie, my favorite spot. Yes, sir. The only way to go. Mango Passion. Yes, sir. Appreciate y'all rocking with your boy as I went to LBRG. That was my first time in that spot. So real quick, I'm gonna break down the video. So when I left out, matter of fact, while I was in there filming, 12 just walked in all of a sudden. I don't know, somebody called him or what the case may be. But anyway, I just kept filming, you know what I'm saying, bought my shoes or whatever. And it's like, soon as I bought my shoes and went outside, he went outside, he parked next to me. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, bro, I know they ain't called 12 on me because I'm in there filming. Because they act like they was all cool. But anyway, that's what all that happened. But your boy did go to H&M as well. Just recap, show y'all what I did pick up. This is just definitely one of my favorite stores, man. I didn't pick up but 2 items though. But we're gonna run through them real quick. For y'all that don't know, H&M has some of the best heavyweight hoodies out there. I just went with another solid one. Actually caught it on sale. It was original $40 on sale for $16.99. And I was just standing there in the store. I was like, man, I feel like I got a shoe to go with it. And then it hit me. I was like, man, I can just pull them out with these. The Casino Air Max 1s, which I still ain't brought y'all to the channel yet. Still DS, man. You know what I mean? But that hit right there is gonna hit. It's gonna set this off. You feel me? So that's how I shop a lot of times, man. I need to start doing how to style and stuff like that because I'm really into fashion. Probably y'all, a lot of y'all probably don't know that unless y'all know me because I don't post a lot of stuff on social media. I don't know, it's weird. It's like, man, I don't be trying to like chase clout if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like I just do it just to do it. You know what I mean? But anyway, man, nice heavyweight hoodie, man. Like I said, I'm gonna hit the I'm gonna kill you boy with them thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Just offset it. You feel me? Just like that. You feel me? And yes, man, drop a comment down below if y'all want me to go ahead and review these. I got a bunch of, like I told you, I got a bunch of sneakers from last year that y'all ain't seen. Over 70 pairs, man, last year, man. So if y'all want me to go ahead and drop everything I picked up last year, man, leave a comment. Let me know something down below, and I'll go ahead and do that. But yeah, so that was one thing I picked up from H&M with this heavyweight hoodie. Actually went with a medium this time because they didn't have a large, but I did try it on. And like I said, one of the best hoodies out there. Then I also grabbed, I already got the hoodie for this, but I grabbed these oversized, loose fit. I ain't gonna say oversized. And these, I believe, retail was $39. They was on sale $29. So I went ahead and grabbed them as well. And like I said, I shot for pieces. So when I was looking at these, I was like, what can I hit these things with? And I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with these guys, which I still haven't brought y'all a review of. Recently got these for Christmas. Actually, yes sir, that's gonna hit just like that, man. So like I said, man, if y'all wanna see how to style and stuff like that, man, drop a comment. Let me know something down below, man. Tell a friend, get me to 1,000 subscribers, man. I'll start doing that, man. You know what I mean? It's just time consuming. I mean, it's something I love, but it's time consuming. So if y'all wanna see stuff like that, let me know. I feel like that's a perfect match. You feel me? Set it off with some grays or some yellows. But now, again, what y'all actually was here for, LVRG, nice bag, but my other handle ripped as soon as I walked out the store. But one more time, give y'all a quick look at the shoes. You know what I mean? I will give y'all an on-feet and in-depth review of these guys as well. Just let me know something down below. Boom. Pretty much everything y'all seen when I was in the car. But I love these things, man. Fresh about the business. Yes, Shersky. Can't wait to pull these on feet. These actually gonna get pulled out probably in this winter months. I feel like you can wear them all year round. Of course, these do scream out Miami summer night vibe, summer daytime vibe. But you can also offset them with those sail hits and that dark black to complement this winter time. But another dope shoe, man. In my opinion, it was a W, man. This is the colorway that I wanted out of all this DJ Khaled pack. Even though that crimson pair is nice, it wasn't something that I had to have. But when I seen the pack, I said I would definitely go for this one. Love all 3 additional laces that come with them and everything. But, man, I appreciate y'all, as always, rocking with your boy, man. Checking out the videos, man. Supporting the channel, man. Y'all are super appreciated, man. I definitely appreciate y'all, man. You know what I mean? But, man, yes, Shersky brought y'all quick looks of 2 other shoes. And the DJ Khaled's what I picked up from LVRG, man. So, man, like, comment, subscribe, join that money gang. You feel me? It's free. It's down below, man. And like your boy tell you, at the end of the day, make sure every last one of y'all, yeah, even you back there, make sure you like what you rock. And rock what you like. I'm screaming cha-ching. Gang, gang. I'm out. She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street for